Hikoki have developed a reputation for creating high quality power tools. They have developed such a reputation, especially within their range of nail guns, and we're going to have a little look at that today. We've got 18-volt nail guns and also 36-volt multi-volt nailers that we're going to take a look at. So stay tuned, let's have a look. Starting with Hikoki's first fix nailers, we have the NR1890DC. Now these are actually both exactly the same tool, but what you are going to be able to get very soon at ITS is you're going to be able to get an extended magazine. So these nailers are both the NR1890DC. This runs off of an 18-volt battery, perfect for first fix applications, but you might want the extended magazine if you're up on a roof. You don't have to stop and reload as frequently, so this can actually hold up to 2 nail strips at one time. This runs off of an 18-volt battery and is running off of a brushless motor, so if you're looking for maintenance-free runtime, you're going to be able to get that with this tool. It is also worth mentioning that this tool is completely self-sufficient. There's no need for any additional compressed air. The tool gets everything done by itself. In terms of nail capacity, this thing can fire nails ranging from 50mm to 90mm in length and nails from 2.8mm to 3.2mm in thickness. The majority of the work that would be doing is stuff that you are not going to be seeing, you know, that is for your messier work. However, if you were looking to get some jobs done where you are actually going to have a bit more visibility, then you are going to want to look at Hikoki's second fix nailers. We have 3 out in front of me. We have the NT1850DF. This is your 18 gauge nailer. We have the angled 16 gauge nailer. This is the NT1865DMB. And then we have the straight nailer here, the 16 gauge. This is the NT1865DM. Now, there are some similarities between these 3 tools, all 3 running off of brushless motors if you're looking for that maintenance-free runtime. What you will find sets these 3 tools apart are the nails that it can fire. Starting with the 18 gauge nailer, it can fire up to 50mm. The angled nailer, you've got a range of 32 to 64mm. And with the straight nailer, you've got a slightly larger range of 25 through to 64mm. There are reasons why you would choose an angled nailer over a straight nailer and vice versa. With a straight nailer, you would get a larger range of nails that it can fire. You know, like I just said, that's one thing that does set these 2 tools apart. However, if you are someone that is working in those tighter areas and need a bit of easier maneuverability, then you are probably going to want to pick up a second fix angled nailer. Moving on to your slightly more niche nailers, we have here the NR3675DD. This is a 36-volt multi-volt duplex nailer. Now, you are going to be using a tool like this for concrete forming. What you do is you fire duplex nails, which are slightly different. They have a longer head, and you'd fire that into timber and use it for concrete forming. That longer head sticks out of the material and then makes it as easy as possible to remove the nails after you have formed your concrete. With something like this, of course, you're firing a different type of nail. You are going to need additional power, which is why this runs on Hikoki's 36-volt multi-volt technology. It is also worth noting that this also has a brushless motor if you are looking for that maintenance-free runtime. We've got some other slightly more quirky tools to look at here. I'd say all of these still fit within Hikoki's nail gun range, starting off with the headless pin gun. These things are headless. These are designed to drive straight into the material and barely leave a trace. Alongside from that, Hikoki do have some other staplers as well, including this one, which is more or less a straight up staple gun. If you are looking to decorate and you need a staple gun, get one that can run off of your 18-volt batteries. And then we have the auto hammer. Now, we have seen a couple of tools like this before, but not many. This is very unique. If you are standing there all day, every day, swinging nails into material with a hammer, why are you bothering? That is so much effort, so much energy. To get the auto hammer to do the job for you, put the tool over the nail that you are looking to hammer into the material and let the tool hammer it in by itself. It's comfortable to use and just really, really efficient. So there we have it. There's a little rundown on everything you need to know about Hikoki's fantastic range of nail guns. You can shop them all now over at its.co.uk.